Hello guys, and today we're going to be opening fidget toy blind bag. Now here's the stuff. Here is rare, which is 100, and it's blue. Common is orange and has 10. Uncommon has yellow and 7. Wow has 66, and it's brown. And amazing is 50, which is like gray. And lame is 0, which is bad, and it has dark green. Very ultra rare, 100,000, and it's also light green. And legendary 88 has black. And the most rarest one in the whole world is very ultra super rare, which is 900, 1,000. I hope I get it. Please let me get it. And it says collect all. Okay. So now let's open it. Oh, there's a hole right here. Let's open it. First we take the paper. What is the paper is? What is the paper? I'm gonna see what is the paper is. Oh my gosh, I am so freaking lucky. Guys, you will be happy to see this. I got very ultra super rare, which is pink. Yes. Let's see what we got. We got a cupcake puppet. And we also got, oh, what is this? Ow. I love this foam slime. We got 3 mochis. This one's a unicorn, which is so blue. We got a panda one, which is so adorable and it looks so freaking rare. And we got a rabbit, which is so soft. And the last one we got, whoa, this is so extra rare. And what else do we got? Gosh dang. We got a squishy, so soft. And this Rubik's Cube is so amazing. And we got one more thing here. A big fat puppet. Wow, this is all amazing. Just because I am so lucky. Well, that's all. Bye.